Okay, so I got my bike, my down Duro right here, my 2015 Trek Session 88. I just changed the drivetrain to a 12-speed. Went with the Eagle 12-speed 1150 tooth GX rear derailleur, GX chain, all brand new, and the GX shifter up here. So it all works out really good, shifts everything, you know, nice and clean in the bike stand. But now I'm riding it around and it's making this crazy clicking sound. And I almost completely tore the bike down because I cannot pinpoint where the sound is coming from. So let me ride it around right now and demonstrate it for you. All right, so I'm pedaling lightly right now, but when I apply pressure to the cranks, you hear that? But I've taken this bike totally apart almost to pinpoint where that sound's coming from. And I think I found it. Okay, like I've said, I think I've pinpointed the source of the clicking, and I'm gonna fix it right now and see if that is exactly what's going on. And then I'm gonna go on a ride right now to my local trail, Harmon Canyon, to try out that 12-speed and see if I can get any PRs on climbing. So that was my plan the whole time, to make this a better climbing bike. After I'm done with the ride, I'll show you what I did to fix that clicking noise and what it is. And it's pretty common, but I've been mountain biking for quite some time and I've never experienced it myself. So I'll share with you what I found out. Stay tuned. Let's go ride. Okay, we're at Harmon Canyon. So far so good. Drivetrain is shifting crisp. Haven't really hit anything steep yet though, so we'll find out. Seems to be hit some steeps. And there's a new trail here. Could be open, maybe not yet, but I've heard rumors, so we'll check that out too. Well, I don't see any signs on this new trail saying closed, so let's check it out. Might as well keep the camera rolling. Like I said, might as well keep the camera rolling. Let everyone see this new trail at Harmon. I think it's called Poacher's Paradise on Strava, if I remember correctly. I saw somebody wrote it and already named it. Sweet. Good on them for claiming this trail. Probably the first person to ride it. Quail. Okay, so that section's closed. Okay. Hello.
Have a good one.
You too, thank you. That still looks a little rough. It's got some potential though. I think that's it for now. Huh. I guess we're not finished with it. Alright. That's cool. Little sneak peek. Okay, let the climb begin. I'm still in my 11th speed, not on the highest 2 count yet. I'll only use it if I have to. Alright. Let's try that granny gear out. There we go. Number 12. Or number 1, however you count. Thanks, man. Good to see me. Okay, here comes the hardest, steepest part of the climb. Breathing hard. There we go. It's not steep. Whew. All right. Nice. Helped. A lot? No. A little? Yeah. All right, with 12 speeds, I have no more excuses. I just got to get better. Like I said, it helps a little. Not a whole lot. I guess we'll let Strava be the judge of that, right? Spoiler alert. And that new single chain ring up front, that was the problem. The old chain, I'll show you when I get home what the old chain ring was doing to the new chain. All right, we're at the top here, Harmon Canyon. About to head down. Here we go. Something about this dirt here that great, a lot of breath. Beach right here. We are in this anyway. I just want to see how that. Making some noise, right? Go and slide that back end around. Nice on. Take your earphones out. God damn. Earphones should be outlawed. Yeah. Congested. Maybe Harmon Canyon should cut all these bushes so you can see ahead of you. All right. Well, was the 12 speed worth it? We're gonna have to ask Strava to find out. In my opinion, it shifted really good and clean and crisp and all that, and all the range. I mean, it's sick. I like it. And like I said, I bought this componentry piece by piece, so I didn't buy the complete drivetrain with cranks. I bought the shifter, derailleur, chain, and rear cassette. So I'll show you right now what the issue was when I get home. After one ride, how does she look? She got a little dirt on her, but yeah, all in all, she did good. I'm stoked. So yeah, The problem was this chain ring right here. It was worn out. Here's the original one right here. I don't know if you can tell by just looking at it, but the teeth are hooked. And like I said, I was running an 11-speed chain on this, and from the videos you can see the chain was just sticking to this. It was like getting hooked in there. All right, let me see this happen. I want to catch it on camera.
We'll make a way.
Yeah, it's like just hanging up. Yeah, I can see it releasing. I wonder if it's just the wrong, it's a 12-speed chain, GX. I don't know. Anyway, that was the sound, making the clicking noise. It's never happened to me before, but then again, I've never changed a complete, drivetrain. So if you're gonna do a complete drivetrain, make sure you change that front train ring out, especially if you're going from like a 11 to a 12 speed. But this is just a cheap one off eBay, or sorry, Amazon, JG bike. It was $9-10. It probably will only last like 1 year, but they're cheap, so you can replace them. And I went with purple to kind of match my oil slick bars. And black and purple, they always look good together, in my opinion. So anyway, I hope this video helps you guys out there if you have a mysterious clicking sound and you don't know where the hell it's coming from. And live and learn. All right, everyone. Thanks for watching. Stay stoked. See you on the next ride.